Hi, Barbara Freeberg here, former portfolio manager and university investments instructor, here to talk investing with you today. We're going to talk about robo-advisors, which are investment platforms that can help you invest your money and turn your small amount of dollars into big buckets of wealth for later. So let's get started. First off, what is a robo-advisor? A robo-advisor is just a fancy name for an investment manager who will use the computer and computer programs to help you invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, and other financial assets so that your money will grow and compound for tomorrow. The cool thing about robo-advisors is they're not all alike. Some of them are all digital. Others, you can get financial advisors. Others, you choose a pre-made portfolio, and then some let you pick your investments on your own, and then they will do the management for you. So if you're thinking about getting help investing, and if you realize that investing to tomorrow can lead to a sweeter financial future, then let's get started. Here are my top 5 picks for beginner investors and what I like about them. M1 Finance is a combination of a package of pre-made investment portfolios along with stock and bond ETFs that you can invest in to create your preferred asset mix. After you've picked and chosen the investments you want, M1 Finance will rebalance them and keep them in line in the percentages that you would prefer. This is a little different than some robo-advisors who tell you what you should invest in. This is for a little more independent-minded individual investors. So if you're just starting out, you want to learn a little bit more about it, you can watch this M1 Finance tutorial and check it out. Next on our list, we have SoFi Automated Investing. This is best if you want a totally free platform. You want access to lending, you want access to buying stocks, buying crypto, and a robo-advisor managed solution. One of the differentiating features of SoFi is it is fee-free investment management, and you have access not only to financial advisors, but you also have access to career consultants. The portfolios that they offer include global stocks, corporate government, and high-yield bonds, and a real estate fund as well. We like that the investment portfolios are diversified and that you can use some of the other features at SoFi as well if you want to manage portfolio, but you want to do some investment on your own. So SoFi has some similarities with M1 Finance. And I forgot to mention, M1 Finance does also have free investment management. If you'd like to learn more, we'll put the links below the video and you can hop on and visit the platform on your own. Betterment. Betterment is one of the oldest robo-advisors. It is perfect if you want top-level financial advisor access. Now, although SoFi Invest has access to financial consultants, they are not all certified financial planners. If you go with Betterment, every investor has an opportunity to either purchase an add-on financial planning package, so you get your regular diversified investment portfolio. There is no minimum investment amount, costs 0.25% of the amount invested, so it's very, very affordable. $1,000 investment, you pay only $2.50. This is their digital plan. But if you want a little bit of help, they sell very low-cost financial planning packages to help you plan for college, to help you plan for retirement, or just as a quick portfolio overview of all of your investments. And this is offered through Betterment and with certified financial planners. And actually, if you just want to buy one of these certified financial planner packages and not even sign up for Betterment, you can do that as well. And of course, they do offer another program for investors who have a little more money, and that gives full certified financial planner access whenever they want to schedule it. And that, of course, costs 0.40% of assets under management and does require $100,000. So not a beginner option. Wealthfront is ideal if you're a tech-oriented type of person and you don't need access to a financial advisor. Wealthfront has really ramped it up recently. Like Betterment and like SoFi, you take a quick quiz about your financial goals and your risk tolerance, and they will give you a pre-made investment portfolio. But if you want a pre-made investment portfolio that you can tweak yourself by adding different strategy ETFs or funds, Wealthfront might be for you. because they have access to over 200 exchange traded funds that you can add on to your existing portfolio, or you can create a new group of investments from the choices that they have, and Wealthfront will manage it for you. They have a lot of other features. I really like Wealthfront a lot. We have a free promotion for them, and you get your first $5,000 managed for free if you click on the link below. And of course, that is an affiliate link, which means a small commission would go to fund this channel if you did click on our link. I also want to give a shout out to their Path Digital Financial Advisor. I've gone through it, and I need to tell you that it is almost like talking to a real live financial advisor. They answer so many questions. So if you're interested in Wealthfront, check out the platform, give it a once over, read our review, and consider whether this might be the robo-advisor for you. SigFig is unusual. It's different than all the other robo-advisors we've discussed because you can leave your investments where they are if you have an account at Schwab, Fidelity, and TD Ameritrade. And then you give SigFig permission to access your account and create the portfolio that best fits your risk tolerance, your goals, and your retirement age. So this is a little different because you don't actually transfer your money into the Wealthfront, Betterment, and One Finance platform, but you leave it at Schwab, Fidelity, and or TD Ameritrade, and they will step in and manage it for you. They offer, like the other 4 choices, beginner robo-advisor choices, very nicely diversified portfolios. And I wouldn't have a problem investing in any of these companies. Let me just put it right out there. I think they're all well regarded. They're all well run. They have really good security. SigFig does have another couple of add-ons. They also offer free financial consultants for their paying customers. Now, the entry point to get into SigFig is just a little higher. It requires $2,000. So if you're not there yet, then you want to choose one of the other beginner robo-advisors. But if you have not built up $2,000, you can still use a free investment analysis tool at SigFig, which delves into your investment portfolio and gives you insights and suggestions. And that's a really nice tool for those of you that want to know, is my portfolio on track, and may not be interested in hiring them to be your robo-advisor. As an aside, Personal Capital also offers a free tool with opportunity to plan for retirement, give investment recommendations, and has a few more free tools than SigFig offers. So as a wrap up, if you are ready to begin investing for the future, you don't know where to start, then using a beginner robo-advisor will help you get on the right path. The recommended digital investment advisors walk you through step by step the setup. They help you transfer your money in and help you understand how to choose an investment portfolio that fits in with your goals and with your risk tolerance level. So thank you so much for stopping by. There will be links to all of these platforms and reviews and this article below. If you do sign up for one of our affiliate links, and they will be marked, we will get a small commission that helps fund this channel. Thank you so much for visiting. If you like this video, please subscribe. It helps get more people educated about robo-advisors. Give us a thumbs up if you like it, and please leave a comment. I respond to all comments, and I want to help you become a better investor. So, Barbara Friedberg here. See you next time. Bye.